Hi, it's Nesha again. Gue baru upload video tadi dan I wanna upload again cause gue tau apa yang mau gue bahas kali ini. Biar ada bahasan aja sih sebenarnya, biar gue ngomong aja di depan layar. So, kenapa gue bikin video ini di menit yang tidak terlalu jauh dari video sebelumnya, dan gue masih memakai baju biru dan lampu berwarna biru karena video ini cukup emotional, sensitive, and sentimental, I guess, I don't know. Jadi ya kenapa gue beratribut biru dan segalanya biru, karena gue mau like every people that mean to me atau yang subscribe YouTube channel gak jelas ini, blue will reminds you of me. Gitu aja sih sepertinya. Jadi gue mau bacain 3 notes dari notes di HP gue. Ada 3 judul yang cukup sensitif dan emosional, dan mungkin beberapa orang akan marah kalau lihat video ini karena gue again my suicidal thoughts, especially my boyfriends and my friends yang gak suka kalau girls gitu. So the first notes, ada 3 judul. Yang pertama itu If Someday I Died, yang kedua itu ada Death Letters, dan yang ketiga itu ada Suicide Letters. Gue bakal bacain yang If Someday I Died. If someday I died, if one day my footsteps fade from the world, people will still speak her name the way one speaks of sunlight after it slips behind a cloud, softly with warmth lingering in the air. They will remember her not for grand gestures, but for the quiet, unmistakable brightness she carried into rooms. The way she makes others feel seen, the way her laughter lifted even heavy days, the way she laughed with such fullness that it felt echoes in those lucky enough to stand close. Someone will recall how she cared fiercely even when she didn't always say it aloud. Someone else will smile at the memory of her creativity, the way she turned talks into art, into words, into something that stayed. They will talk about her kindness like a map, tracing how far it traveled, how she stitched softness into moments that might have otherwise hardened, how her presence made people feel just a little braver, a little less alone. And as they speak, something of her will live on in the stories, in the laughter, in the gentle habits she talked without trying. Because people like her don't really disappear. They leave pieces of themselves in everyone they loved, and the world, in small but permanent ways, remains better than it was before she walked through it. Jadi basically, if someday I died, I hope people will remind me as a really good person, I guess. I don't know. Yang kedua itu ada Death Letters. Death Letters. If these words even find you, I hope they carry more light than sadness. I never wanted to be remembered for perfection, only for the quiet ways I tried to make the world softer. Remember me in the small moments, in laughter that come too easily, in the warm silence shared between friends, in the way I love things deeply, even the fragile and the fleeting ones. I hope you remember that I cared, that I tried to listen even when the words fell loud, that I tried to give comfort even when I didn't always know how, that my heart was open even when it was tired. If I ever touch your life, I hope it was with gentleness. I hope something I said or did made you feel seen even once. I hope you remember me as someone who carried softness like a shield, who believed in beauty even on difficult days, and who tried in the quiet one to leave things better than I found them. And above all, remember me not with grief, but with the kind of smile you make when recalling a good chapter, one that mattered, one that stays with you even long after the page has turned. Jadi basically this letter is like when I died again. It's a note that gue mau lo semua tuh ingat gue, not with the grief but with the moments that I share with you with the happiness. Jadi gue gak mau siapapun itu yang deket sama gue tuh nge-grieving gue, karena gue akan seneng kalau lo ketika gue mati suatu hari nanti, gue mau lo semua tuh mengingat gue dengan cara yang cheerful, kayak I ever live this life happily with you guys, with you, my boyfriends and my families. Yang terakhir, it's such a really kind of sad. It's a suicide letters because I think about suicides all the time. So it's just letter. First of all, I'm saying really sorry for everyone, especially my mom and dad, and my sister, and my big family. I'm truly sorry for leaving y'all too soon. Because I can survive in this cruel world, it makes me sick, I can't stand it. I'm tired with myself for being me that everyone's hated. I really felt sorry that I really can survive in this world longer. Thank you so much, Mama Aya. Thank you for letting me born in this world and taking care of me until I became me now. I'm really truly sorry that I can't make you proud, not even once. It's not your fault, it's mine. To my dearest friends, family, and love, beneath the stars, I now rise above this life. A journey of fleeting time has sung its songs, now ends my rhyme. To my family, my words, my grace, you help me steady, give me a pace, every hug, every tears, every smile we shared. Now in my heart, I truly cared. To my friends, my laughter, my light, my brightness, my days, turn wrongs to right. Your kindness, your joy, your endless embrace made this world a brighter and a gentle space. And to my lover, my heart's soft, every bit of mine sung just for you. Took my presence fades, my love won't part. Forever you will find me within your heart. Do not mourn, for the sun still will rise, and love, like the moon, never truly dies. Carry my memory, but let joy remain. For in your smile I live again. This is not an end, just a chance of air. I watch from afar with infinite care. Goodbye, my love, this is my plea. Remember me kindly and set me free. Jadi seperti itu. Ya, itu kinda depressing sih buat bacanya lagi. Tapi sebenarnya masih ada lagi ya. But that's personally I write it on letters. Beneran surat yang bentuknya adalah kertas. Mungkin akan dibagikan di suatu saat nanti ketika gue sudah tidak ada, atau video ini akan dilihat, nggak tahu. Cuman intinya, you have seen this video of me, my lover ones, my friends, my closest friend, my best friends. Kayak I wanna be remain as a good person, dan semoga gue beneran a good person for y'all, a cheerful ones that always happy to be around you guys. Kayak gue bersyukur punya bumi, punya pacar gue, terus punya teman-teman gue, semuanya yang emang care, dan mama dan ayah. Seperti itu. Aku udah gak bisa nangis karena so much happening lately. Terus gue emosional banget, gue udah kebanyakan nangis kemarin. So I just can't cry no more guys, cause I'm so tired. Jadi kayak ya udah bolos aja gak sih, nggak tahu. Jadi I think that's it guys. Please remember in your life that there's me. Kayak gue pernah ada buat kalian, dan gue mati suatu saat nanti, like I live in your heart, guys. I'm still in your heart, and I'm up there. Please, if you see the moon's brightness, if I died someday, if you see the full moon brightness, there's me sitting on the moon. I guess, I don't know. Maybe kayaknya 3 atau 5 sampai 5 tahun lagi ketika gue ngeliat ini, gue akan berpikir kayak ini apa sih, gue nggak jelas banget. Mungkin gue akan malu sendiri tapi nggak tahu if I'm still alive. I don't know, guys. Doain gue sembuh. So that's it. Thank you for watching this. I will make a video about something not depressing, I guess, or fun things, or I don't know, video nggak jelas lah ini. Gak tahu. So, dadah.